Here is how I like to make my homemade applesauce. It's so good. There's nothing extra added in it. It's just apples and cinnamon. I hope you'll come along with me as I put this together. I'm going to start by peeling them, get them all peeled. Then I want to cut them up. I will need to rinse them, and then I will be adding them to the crock pot. You don't have to add cinnamon, but I really like it with a little cinnamon in it. Once you get that done, you put the lid on it and turn the crock pot on high or low, depending on how much time you have, and then just keep checking it and you'll be able to tell. Some people like it a little thicker like that. I like mine to be a little thinner. And this is right how we love ours. We like it just like this, and it freezes really well. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.